Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Infiniti QX60 cabin air filter. First, gather your new filter and a small flathead screwdriver. Park your vehicle on a level surface for safety. Next, open your glove compartment and remove everything inside. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and quick replacement process. You'll be breathing cleaner air in about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, let's access the filter. On the right side of your glove box, you'll find a small dampener arm. Carefully unclip this arm. Then, gently push inward on both sides of the glove box to release its stops. This allows the glove box to swing down fully, revealing the cabin air filter housing behind it. It's usually a rectangular cover. With the housing exposed, locate the two small clips on its cover. Unclip them and remove the cover. Now, carefully slide out the old cabin air filter. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow on the old filter. It typically points downwards. Insert your new filter, ensuring its airflow arrow points in the same direction. This is crucial for proper air circulation. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reattach the filter housing cover, making sure both clips snap securely into place. Next, push the glove box stops back into their original positions. Reconnect the dampener arm to the right side of the glove box. Gently close the glove box. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, improving your vehicle's air quality in just a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.